One of the ways you can organize your information in Evernote is to group notebooks that have similar content together into stacks. I'm going to show you how to do that on both the Mac desktop version as well as the Mac online version. So here I am in my Mac desktop client, and I'm going to close up this window here on the side just to give us a little bit more room, and I'm in the notebooks. I've already created 2 demonstration notebooks, and to create a stack I'm simply going to take one and drag it upon the other, and you'll notice now it has created a stack and it indicates how many notebooks are in this stack. The name of the stack on the desktop version will be the name of the notebook to which you dragged upon with the word stack after it. It's very easy to rename books. Simply control click and this dialog pops up. Rename the stack, and I'm going to just call it demo stack. I can use the same control click to expand the stack, and you can use the same control click to collapse the stack as well as to delete the stack. Now, if I'm going to delete the stack, it's going to ask for confirmation that that is indeed what I want to do, so I delete it. It does not delete the notebooks. They are both still on the desktop. The web version for Mac is just a little bit different. Okay, so now on the Mac desktop version, we're going to create a stack, and this has just a little bit of a different appearance. You'll see that the notebooks are over here on the side, and I still have my 2 demo notebooks. I'm going to click on this one, drag it out just a little bit. I drag it on top and you can see that it now says create a stack. So I let go and it creates the stack. And here's one of the differences. It's asking me to name the stack right from the very beginning. So I'm not going to have to do the second step of renaming it. So I create the stack. So here I have the stack with the 2 demo notebooks. One of the options is that I could rename it with clicking on the pencil. So to collapse the stack, it's much simpler on the desktop version. You simply use the little caret to open and close the stack. You don't have to use the keyboard to do that. So that's a little bit easier. But there is not a way to delete the stack as there is on the desktop version. You would simply just take the notebook, pull it out, and remove it from the stack. And I'll remove notebook 1. Oh, I have to pull it out further. Remove so that it shows remove from the stack, let go, and it's removed, and the stack will disappear because there's nothing in it. So to have a stack, you have to have notebooks in it. So on both the desktop and online version of Evernote for Mac, you're able to group notebooks of similar content together so that they're organized in a more meaningful way for you to find the information.